recapping. So, everywhere you see in Collins gear, like this, red screws, that means that part will lift right out. Nothing to really worry about. There's these kind of connectors that simply go here to the modules. And wow, that's so cool. This alone, 4 screws. Probably 20 pounds, 25 pounds, maybe. I don't know. Haven't got it weighed. Some of these things are indeed weighed, but this is cool. So applicable to the power supply. You take out as much weight as you want. Send me 2 packages. And then we're off to the races. Ha ha ha.